This is a video about our trip to Wycoller Country Park. We had a lovely evening the night before in the old Stone Trough Inn near Barnoldswick, and I can thoroughly recommend that. So we travelled from the Trawden side, past some lovely scenery, beautiful day, and then we arrived at the car park for the country park. I think it was £1 all day. You see this sign and you follow. It's quite a long walk. It seemed longer than 500 yards, to be honest. So you walk down this path, and this path can be seen here on the left of the picture. Beautiful countryside. We followed this sign, turning right into the village. And then a few yards past this, you come to a lovely little kiosk stroke cafe. You can't eat in, but you can get a lovely hot drink. And then you come across this beautiful view, like stepping back in time, really. So lovely. This is the ruin from above, taken on my Mavic Mini. It was quite a windy day, so it's not very smooth footage, but you can see how it's just like a little oasis in the middle of all the beautiful open fields. Beautiful autumn day. Tom said that he saw a heron flying, and it flew about 20 feet above my head when I was filming always. So I was really disappointed that I didn't get it. But anyway, this is people exploring the ruin. A beautiful place for a picnic. Very, very sunny day for November. It was marvellous. And there it was. As we started walking along the river, we saw him. So it's a beautiful walk along the river. This is one of the old bridges that we saw, which just seemed to be hanging on there by a thread, really. Carried on through the woodland, came to this sign. On our left on the hillside, we saw this pod, so we wanted to walk to that, but we carried on walking along the river. Loved looking at this old ancient tree, and look at this face there. I wonder what he's seen. We came to a little wooden bridge on the left when the road comes to an end, really. We went through this gate, and then we started the ascent up to the pod. In fact, it's called the Atom. So I'll just let you watch this footage of us climbing up there. We were so lucky as it was such a beautiful clear day. You could see for miles, and there you can see Pendle Hill on the horizon. There is a car park here near the Atom, which is great if you just want to go straight there. We didn't know about this. Fabulous views on such a clear day. It was really lovely. So one last look at the beautiful scenery, and we started to walk back down to the ruin. Beautiful views all the way down. Absolutely lovely. So you come to this sort of clearing area and then just go down these steps and you arrive back at where we started. This is the information near the ruin. It's quite sad to read about the demise of the place. It'll be worth Googling it if you want to know more, really. This is the Map My Walk view of where we walked. You can see we got lost a bit in the middle. We did nearly 5 miles altogether. If you've liked watching this video and me rambling on about where we go now and again, it'd be great if you subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.